Why I put me looking like actual shit on the internet. That's fine, no worries. Another Monday. I also forgot to show you that I made coffee. We have coffee for you all. Hello. So for all you Australians out there who obviously watch the footy, because obviously footy is live, I'm just watching the boys on BJonGameDays. That is literally my morning. That is my Monday morning. Oh, like, I don't want to sit back because I just put some oil on my body. Not sure why I sing. Oh my gosh, do you know what I have been obsessively watching? RuPaul's Drag Race UK. So, darling, that's just what I've been watching. Let's discuss in the comments. Who's your favourite? Who do you want to win? But I can't do that because I don't know if you guys are watching it or want to watch it or invested so much of your life into it. Pretty women are walking with gorillas down my street. My camera's gonna die, and of course someone's mowing when I want to come chat with you guys, but that's fine, whatever. Happy Tuesday, welcome to Tuesday's vlog. We are outside. I hope you can hear me. It is gonna die, sweet, no worries. It's Tuesday. Nothing really happens on a Tuesday. It's gonna be a very boring day. It is gonna rain, hopefully soon, but the moon is out. Let me show you. Right there, that's Beck. You can probably see it. That is the moon. Holy crap, you can see it with my camera. That's the moon. But yeah, welcome to the vlog. There is so much noise going on. My camera's gonna die. Someone's mowing their lawn. Shut up.
Never gonna stand a chance. Heartbreak like a sad romance. Said that you never come back again. Been mention. Your perfect body elegance, the way you move while you dance.
Marilyn Manson. What up, guys? I thought I would bring you on my little adventures once again. Very like trippy because I filmed this before. Are we recording? Yeah, cool. Lol. No, I am filming this part no, fucking again. I'm filming this part after Ikea. Because I was very like in a weird headspace this morning. But yeah, but welcome to the vlog. Enjoy the vlog, enjoy the day, I guess. No one's around, so I don't have to pretend to be on the phone. Let's go get coffee, because that's what I need right now. Coffee. Ew. Your steps on an empty stage. That boy's got my heart in a silver cage.
Stand a chance, heartbreak like a sad romance. Said that you never come back again. Been 3 days, now you're back again. But I'm not your man, no I'm not your man. I can blow your mind like whoa. Why be faithful when you got hopes? Drop top and off we go. We gon' pop off, that's how we roll. Your perfect face, not to mention. Your perfect body elegance, the way you move while you're dancing. You say that I'm your favorite toy, but I'll never be your angel boy, angel boy.
Oh, girl, you're shining. Wanna get you like this. Baby, you're so classic.
Slowly kisses passing by the river. I've been missing your strawberry cake. There's nothing as sweet as taste. Still drive me crazy.
Okay, guys, it's Thursday, I think. Whatever, editing and post-op will be fine. So I got a new glass. It's raining, as you can tell. It's usually montaged B-roll. I look like shit. Still look like shit. There's so much I look like trash. I can't believe I put shit like this on the internet for people to see. Ooh, yeah, there's a guy mowing his lawn. So yeah, let's just make it. Do you know what's funny? Last week I started using this more, but now I fucking love it. And it was funny, like throwback to last week being like, ew, it's gross.
Strawberry cake. There's nothing as sweet as taste. Still drive me crazy. My strawberry kisses. I could fly through the wind.
I really got pee, so I better get going, really.
Thank